यस्य पात्रे व्ययः अक्रोधस्तपसक्षमा प्रभवितो धर्मस्य निर्व्याजता सर्वेषामपि सर्वकारणमिदं शीलं परं भूषणम् असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मामृतङ्गमय ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः.
Thank you, sir. Dear students, each day adds to your preparation. As we inch closer towards the CA Foundation December 2023 examination, the last minute preparation and revision forms a very integral part of the success strategy. Dear students, we in Trisha Classes here have organized a free revision series for all the students so that you can brush up the entire syllabus in just 60 hours. Apart from revision series, we will guide you through mentoring sessions, shortcut key to success, and also various tests to help you gain the winning edge over the examination. Dear students, sir will be joining us soon for a motivational session. But before that, I would like to emphasize the importance of the revision classes which Trisha Classes is offering to you. Studies that too meticulously during the last few days will definitely help you scale higher towards the pass result in the examination. I know all of you are prepared to face the examination, but there are secret ingredients like smart tips from our expert faculties who have various experience in the field of teaching for over several years now. I hope you are done with most of the mock examinations, but again, Trisha Classes will help you to tackle the exams with ease. Students, you are free to respond in the YouTube chat box, which is available so that we can help you with any of the queries you have. I'd like to request your students to respond in the live chat in YouTube as to how is your last minute preparation going on. Kindly respond, dear students. How is the Josh as the exams are nearing? I kindly request the students to be ready with their books and stationery, as we have expert faculties guiding you through various subjects, and also we have a series of motivational talks. Please take down all the pointers in your book. This will definitely help you to come out with flying colors. Let me tell you one thing, dear students. As there are a very few days remaining for your CA Foundation examination, there is one thing which will definitely help you get good marks. And what is it? It is consistency. Dear students, please be consistent in your hard work. And also, being mentally strong is equally important. You have to be confident in your preparation. And what will help you gain this confidence? It is only the consistency. So be consistent. Set aside definite number of hours every day for your studies and practice. If there is anything, you need not worry. Our expert faculties will guide you on any questions you have and help you do well. So be consistent, be confident. That's definitely going to add up to great results soon. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Sir, with your permission, can we proceed, sir, with your introduction?
Yes.
Yes. So once again, very good morning, dear students. And I'm very proud to welcome our founder and CEO to the early morning motivation session for the CA Foundation Revision Series. A very warm welcome to you, sir.
Good morning.
Sir, with your Yes. Dear students, we are very lucky to have with us the founder and CEO of Trisha Group of Institutions. Now, Gopi sir requires no introduction, but as a formal procedure, I would like to introduce CA Gopal Krishna Bhatt sir to you. CA Gopal Krishna Bhatt is the founder and CEO of Trisha Group of Institutions, having a rich academic and teaching experience of nearly 26 years. Sir is a qualified chartered accountant, a cost and management accountant, and an MBA holder. Sir has authored several books for CA and CA students, and we are very proud to announce that Trisha Group of Institutions has an alumni database of 75,000 plus CS and CS students. With this, I would like to hand over the session to you, sir. Welcome once again, sir.
Thank you, Gauri. Namaste, students. I'm sure you're all geared up for remaining few days preparations and the last minute final touch up so that you'll be able to perform better. Just 1 second. Yeah. Let me, all of you can tell me how many days more left to the examination? Yeah. Yeah, just few students have joined here. Okay. So how many days left to the examination? As you know, there is, when is the first date of examination? Yes, since it is 31st December, is it correct? 1 second. Gauri madam, are you there with me?
Yes, sir. It is 31st December, sir.
No, correct. But it's also YouTube streamed, correct, no?
Yes, sir. Live streaming is on, sir.
Okay.
The students have joined in YouTube, sir.
Right. Thank you. So, since it is left with another almost 12, 13 days, I'm sure you have to really gear up to do the examination as well as your preparations well. So, now I'm going to give you some, last minute preparations that may help you for the examination is concerned. So, it is a marathon revision class. I need not to mention it. Every subject will be covered with some specific number of hours. If you recall the journey at Trisha, you have started your learning way back, few days, few months back. Once our classes got over, there was a revision session which took place. Post your revision classes, there were series of mock examination. You have written various tests and exams. Now you are all in the self-study to do your examination better. Now, please note, there are few things that you have to work it out in last couple of weeks, almost 10, 12 days left. First and foremost, you need to be confident on what you do it. There are so many times students will get confused. Students will refer, compare, and whatnot you will do in the last minute. So don't do it. Be confident on what you have done and start revising mock exams, revising your various questions that you worked out in the revision class and mock examinations. So this is tip number 1. Tip number 2, available time has to be focused really well because all of us are intelligent enough to crack the examination, but we have a lot of distraction as well. So many things, cricket match, mobile phone, and so many things, distraction. I'm sure by avoiding all such distractions, definitely your focus will be more on examination rather than other things. So avoid distractions. If it's possible for next couple of weeks, next 2-3 weeks, don't touch the mobile phone unless other is seriously required to look at some video classes, or it could be some the important ideas. Other than that, don't use the mobile phone because it takes away a lot of time. So distraction can it be avoided. Third very important point is you have to solve, especially the theory subjects where law, you have economics. With the theory subjects, it's important for you to work it out. Now, rather than just glancing it is not possible. So start working on those things. This is the third thing that I want to highlight. Fourth thing is possibly that whatever the crash course time and revision time, if at all you have done any, the notes, start writing in the same notes because, you between 2 exams, there's only 1 day gap. So during that time, you should not tell me what to study. If you have the notes which is handwritten by you, you may have fantastic books and ICA material, super. But what matters is about how much you have written. So that's only going to remain in your memory. So write in your notebook which you are used for revision, or if it is there to write, still you write in the same book if it is there, or have a separate book for writing and making some pointers. Next, it is important, just show you here, 1 second. Gauri, can I get the co-host? Okay. 1 second. Someone is there? Can I get the chance of? One second. Okay. Yes, now I'll share the screen so that you can. Right. I'm sure you'll be able to work out on this. So when I was mentioning to you the overall planners are concerned, overall pointers are concerned, is it possible for you to comprehend in the given span of time? In order to do the entire lot of portions in the given span of time, it's important for you to have a complete daily plan. Right here, daily plan. Just check it out. Is it possible for you to work a daily plan? Can it be ready? So if that daily plan is ready, example, you consider 10 hours of your study. I'm just telling you the least hours that you have to do it. You can split that into 2 hours ka 5 parts. So early morning 2 hours. Let me take 10 to just write here the time. This is not a rule as such, but if you can do it, it will be super. So 6 to 8, 2 hours. Take a break, have breakfast. So 8:30 or 8:30 to 10:30, 2 hours. 11 to 1, 2 hours. So second half, possibly you start at 3 to 5, 2 hours. And probably 6 to 8, 2 hours. So my suggestion to every student, last 1 or 2 hours is only to glance what you have done on the day. So if you can do this, so a morning first half can be little more fresh enough and work it out. So second half could be 6 plus 4 hours, 10 hours, and glance 2 hours. That is very important. This I highlight. Because what you have studied, unless you glance, you'll not be able to recollect in the examination. So the one simple mantra that we all have to do is revise, revise, revise. So refer, revise, you get results. So R. Now the next one is have one doubt book with you, which I tell many times in the class. Have one doubt book with you. All your doubts, whichever concepts, whichever queries you have, are you able to write in a particular book? Very important, because we don't know what we don't know. I repeat my statement. My problem is I don't know what I don't know. That is the problem, because it's voluminous and you'll get confused where to start. So if you have a doubt, I'll just make you little more comprehensive. So consider accounts 1 and accounts 2. So 2 pages. Write all the concepts in accounts 1, probably except partnership and company accounts. I'm just telling you. what are the types of accounting concepts, accounting convention? It could be related to standards. It could be rectification of errors, different passbook entries, different way of bank record statement, revenue and capital. And, there is a conceptual clarity maybe missing in one of the elements, deferred revenue expenditure, P&L items, how do you treat bad debts? Like that, whatever your doubts, it need not be specific to in the order. It can be anything. And example, you can write model paper 2, question number 21. So this one you have to not understood clearly. Like that, you have to write everything. Same with the accounts too. Next, you have to take the third part will be law. Fourth will be economics. Then fifth part will be basically your business commercial knowledge and business correspondence reporting. This will be the last examination that you are able to face this. So BCK and BCR. The last exam, last important subject will be maths, stats, and reasoning. So if you can have one page for each of this, math, stats, reasoning, you can split into 2 parts, maths and one part, stats and reasoning other part. So start writing all your doubts, whether the doubts could be your ICA material, Trisha material, or it could be related to your previous exams, mock exams, sectional exams, anything that is related. Start writing what went wrong. So I think doubt book will help you a lot to crack your CA foundation examination. Next part. So I told you 5 things. Be confident. Do refer once again from the materials that is there. Have a complete revision notebook that's going to help you. Have a doubt book where you can pick those doubts and you can put into one book so that you can glance quickly. And the last available time, can you split into the hours? So 10 hours and you have a daily plan. And you have to stick on to the plan. Here and there can happen, but you have more than 10 hours to study as well. But can you stick on to the plan? Very important. The 6th tips that I want to share with you is have a good food habits, because last minute don't lose your health. Many students will stress themselves studying overnight and not able to get up in the morning and completely drowsy. I don't know, just I'm sharing to you. Or if you are a night person, I'm okay with it. But better, don't stress yourself too much. It is one of the multiple exams. As you start answering, as you start working, you get more confidence. Then this marathon revision, whenever you are there, part of the marathon revision, absolute focus on what is told and take it is in the examination condition. I mean to say this. So most of you are, since it is an online class and the students have a very different approach towards online class. My sincere suggestion to all the students is take online class in the way it is done in an offline class. Sit in a particular place, have a notebook with you, have a laptop or mobile phone, and don't be casual. This marathon class will be useful only when you are really serious. Not that you are intended to take it casual, but no one is going to watch you. And so have a table, proper place, write down, and even you sit into the online class, fresh enough, wash your face, comb your hair, proper sit, and make a note properly. And this is the next thing. So marathon class being an online or referring from YouTube live stream, it is important for you to take in the right spirit. Sit somewhere, having a pillow on one side, casually you write some pointers and you sleep in between. That is not going to work to you. It will be a waste of time. So take the online marathon classes very seriously, just like in that you sit in the particular classroom and do it. If there is a disturbance in the place, come to the college and study. That's okay to us. But sit properly to take the online class, because when experts are going to give you a lot of tips and each tip is going to help you a lot. Next, especially MCQ pattern. One second. When there is an MCQ pattern, there are a lot of shortcuts that you need to know. I'm sure you are able to get what I'm saying. One second. Not very good. Okay. When there is an MCQ pattern, there are a lot of shortcuts that you need to know. Could be substitution method. There are many maths phobia students are here. One second. There's some problem. Okay. So, lot of shortcuts will be shared to you by the teacher. So, whenever there is shortcuts are dealt to you or explained to you, it's important for you to note down those shortcuts. For example, being in quant, quite often I tell you, it is important for you to note this substitution method. All of you agree with me? So when you say there is substitution method, you need to know what types of question, when to apply it. In starts, you write all the formula. Are you there with me? Are you able to follow what I'm saying? Write all the formula. So all this should happen very quickly, because later it is not going to much useful, because it will be clumsy at your mind. So write all the formula at once. And selection of questions. When you are answering questions, which one to select first? That is intelligence, that is time management. Probably you found one question paper is little more than average. Choose best 80, 90 questions, I'm telling you, in MCQ. That is basically an art of selection question. And like this, if you follow certain tips, definitely you will be able to perform better. Nothing more. Just that follow these tips and work on a regular basis. Start your day with a small prayer. 5 minutes ka prayer, relax yourself. Don't get, because many times this boggling mind will not generate power. Calm mind generates power. So it's okay. What happened is past. Let us not worry too much about. There are many students will get only worry. I don't know what. Worry will not give you result, my wonderful students. Only work towards it will give you results. You are all capable of doing it. Just that you have to do a final touch. And we will be negative because we hear negative words and we talk with negative people. Avoid it, not required. And if there is a friend of yours who talks quite negative, then better avoid such people and start focusing on yourself. In the way of doing so many things, there are chances that you miss many things. Like, your energy, excitement, too much confusion. Don't do it, focus on it. 15-20 minutes or 30 minutes, can it be given to your physical exercise, little relax, walking, jogging, running, swimming, or it could be 15-20 minutes or 30 minutes. If you can do all this, definitely you'll be able to do much better. You'll be able to perform much better. I'm sure with the guidance of various experts, classes, and your hard work, you'll be able to sail through this boat and you'll be in the next level of your CA journey. Take everyone's class highly serious, because the experts who are coming, they come with a loads of experience. They have seen many students like you. They have solved a lot of question papers. They have been chartered accountants, many of them. That will give them, that will help you to get an insight into the various question papers. what you can otherwise take a lot of time, they comprehend when they give. Take each point very seriously. And important for you to have a lot of doubts. Post the classes on the chapter which is specified, clarify the doubts. And every teacher is very happy to handhold and share a lot of ideas and tips to you. Nothing much. Wishing you all the best. Gauri madam, anything that you want to add?
Sir, thank you so much for the wonderful motivational and the quick pointers, sir.
Thank you.
We thank you for sparing your
They
time.
have immediate class now? They have whether they have
Yes, sir.
immediate.
Yes. They have law class by Raj Ganesh sir, immediately at 7 o'clock.
Okay. Thank
Thank you so much,
students.
sir.
Yeah, thank you, Gauri, for coordinating. Thank you, Ram, for all the support and cooperation. Students, wishing you all the best. Do well, happy learning at the Trisha's marathon classes. You will enjoy as well as you learn. Thank you, Gauri. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.